Hey you guys, check this out. It's his birthday coming up, so we're doing a video game party. We found some awesome balloons. Here's some more balloons for a balloon arch. And here it looks like this will be a really cool sign. And here is a tablecloth. I'm gonna open this up. Let's look at what is all in here. You wanna open up the balloons, bud?
That's not balloons.
Yeah, these are balloons. These are cool balloons that say different things. No, open these balloons up.
Oh.
Alrighty, you guys, look at this. This is the most epic party, you guys. We're gonna have a big video game playing. Here you go, look, you guys. Whoa, look at that, look at that. It's got a giant video game controller. Says happy birthday. Oh, turn it around. Look, it literally says epic party. Oh, it says epic party on both sides. That is so cool.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Oh my goodness, you guys. This is going to legit be an epic party with video games and a whole bunch of high school boys. This will be an adventure, you guys. And here is the tablecloth. We're going to set it up and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, you guys, it comes with this thing. It has holes in it where you can connect them to make the balloon arch. I tie 2 balloons together to give it a fuller look. And I grab the end of the balloon like this, and then I stick it through the hole and then pull it through and it stays on. It's super easy, you guys. It also comes with these glue dots, so if you want to connect the balloons together or if you want to add on littler balloons to make it a fuller balloon arch, you can totally do that too. You can use the glue dots to hang things up, whatever you would like to use with it. It comes with everything you need for the perfect party.